Let us understand types of polynomial with respect to degree. The first type is constant polynomial. 7, minus 3 by 2, 5, 0 are examples of constant polynomial. As you can see, there is no variable in this polynomial. Now let us see what is the degree of the constant polynomial. Suppose if I take 7, 7 can be written as 7 into 1, which can be written as 7 into x raised to 0. Using the law of exponent, a raised to 0 is equal to 1, where a should not be equal to 0. Therefore, the degree of 7 is 0. Same way, degree of minus 3 by 2 is also 0. Now let us see what is the degree of 0. If I take 0, I can write it as 0 into x raised to 0. I can also write it as 0 into x raised to 1. I can also write it as 0 into x raised to 100. So here we see degree of the 0 is not defined. Therefore, the degree of non-zero constant is 0. Once again I am repeating, the degree of non-zero constant is 0. The next type of polynomial is zero polynomial. What is zero polynomial? The constant polynomial 0 is called zero polynomial, or we can say the number 0 is called a zero polynomial. As we have seen earlier, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. The next type of polynomial is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Example, 3x plus 7. We see here the highest degree of the variable is 1, hence it's a linear polynomial. 5y. Another example of linear polynomial. Here also we see the highest degree of the polynomial is 1. Now in general form we can write it as ax plus b, where a and b are constant which belongs to set of real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. Examples, 2x square plus 5x plus 3 by 7. Here we see the degree of the polynomial is 2. One more example, 7y square. Now the general form of quadratic polynomial can be written as ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c belongs to set of real number and a not equal to 0. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. Example, 12x cube minus 4x square plus 7x minus 6. As you can see, the degree of the polynomial here is 3. One more example, x cube, 7x cube plus 4x minus 12. The general form of cubic polynomial can be written as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c belongs to set of real numbers and a not equal to 0. Biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is known as biquadratic polynomial. Example, 10x raised to 4 minus 7x cube plus 8x square minus 12x minus 20. As you can see, the degree of the polynomial here is 4. One more example, x raised to 4 plus x minus 1. The general form of biquadratic polynomial can be written as ax raised to 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where a, b, c, d and e belong to real numbers and a not equal to 0. Now let us learn to identify types of polynomial with respect to the number of terms. First, monomial. What is a monomial? A polynomial having only one term is known as monomial. Example, 2x. As you can see, there is only one term. One more example, 5y square. Binomials. What are binomials? Polynomials having only two terms are known as binomials. Example, x square minus x. We can see there are only two terms. One more example. Next is trinomials. Polynomials having only three terms are known as trinomials. Examples of it: u square plus 3u minus 2. There are three terms in it. Root 2 plus x minus x square. The next topic is value of a polynomial. Let us learn how to find a value of a polynomial using example. The question is, find the value of a polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 5 at x equal to 2. Let us denote this polynomial by p of x. Now it is given to us that x equal to 2. Now by substituting x equal to 2, we will get p of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 11 into 2 minus 5. What have we done here? In place of x we have written 2. In place of x we have written 2. Here we get 8 minus 24 plus 22 minus 5. The answer is equal to 1. Hence we read this as value of p of x is 1 at x equal to 2. That is, when x equal to 2, the value of the polynomial is 1. Let us do sums from exercise 2.2. Question 1. Find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. Once again, let us denote this polynomial by p of x. In the first case, we have been given x equal to 0. Now by substituting x equal to 0, we get here 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. That is equal to, answer is equal to 3. Now how do we read this as? Value of p of x is 3 at x equal to 0. That is, when you, in place of x, when you write 0, we get the value of the polynomial is equal to 3. Second, it is given to us x equal to minus 1. In place of x, we write minus 1. That is 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3. The answer is equal to minus 6. How do we read this as? Value of p of x, the polynomial, is minus 6 at x equal to minus 1. Now let us understand what is 0 of a polynomial. Earlier we had learned 0 polynomial. What is 0 polynomial? The constant 0 is known as 0 polynomial. Here what we are going to learn? 0 of a polynomial. Once again I am repeating, earlier we had learned 0 polynomial and now we are going to learn 0 of a polynomial. Let us understand this by taking an example. Given a polynomial x plus 5. Let us take x equal to 0 By substituting x equal to 0, we get 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. This is not equal to 0. Let us take one more value for x equal to minus 1. Here we get the value of the polynomial as 4, which is also not equal to 0. Now let us take x equal to minus 5. Here we get minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. Now in case C, we will say that value of the given polynomial is 0 at x equal to minus 5. That is, minus 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial, Hence, what is 0 of a polynomial? That value of the variable that will make the value of the polynomial equal to 0. Once again I am repeating, what is 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial is that value of the variable which will make the value of the polynomial equal to 0. Let us take one more example. X plus 1. Let us assume the value of x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now in place of x, we write minus 1 by 2. What do you get here? 2 and 2 cancels, we get minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, value of the polynomial, given polynomial, is 0 at x equal to minus 1 by 2. Hence we can say minus 1 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Once again, what is 0 of a polynomial? 0 of the polynomial is that value of the variable which will make the value of the polynomial equal to 0. Let us find the 0 of a non-zero constant polynomial. Let us take an example 3. 3 is a non-zero constant polynomial. The value of 3 can never be equal to 0. Therefore, we can say a non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. Now let us find out what is the 0 of a zero polynomial. As we have learned earlier, zero polynomial is the constant polynomial 0. Now as you can see, the value of zero polynomial will be always equal to 0. Therefore, we can say every real number is a 0 of the zero polynomial. Let us do exercise 2.2 question 3. Verify whether the following are the 0 of the polynomial indicated against them. In this, the first question, it's given the polynomial is 3x plus 1 and the value indicated is x equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Now we have to check whether minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. For that, what we should do? In place of x, we have to write minus 1 by 3. Into minus 1 by 3 plus 1, we will get here minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. The value, as you can see, the value of the polynomial is 0, hence minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Next question. Here the polynomial is given as 5x minus pi and the value indicated is x equal to 4 by 5. In place of x, we will write 4 by 5. This is equal to 4 minus pi, which is not equal to 0. Hence, 4 by 5 is not the 0 of the given polynomial. Third question. The given polynomial is x square minus 1 and it is given to us x equal to 1 and minus 1. We take the first case, x equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 the whole square minus 1, that is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. The value of the polynomial is 0, hence 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Next they have given x equal to minus 1. Here we get minus 1 the whole square minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square is 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Once again we find the value of the polynomial is 0. Therefore minus 1 is also the 0 of the polynomial. 1 and minus 1 both are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now let us do question number 7. Here the given polynomial is 3x square minus 1 and it is given x equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Let us take the first case where x equal to minus 1 by root 3. In place of x we will write minus 1 by root 3. Into minus 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. This will give me 3 into 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Since the value of the polynomial is equal to 0, minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Let us check for x equal to 2 by root 3. Into 2 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. Here we get 3 into 4 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now 3 is not equal to 0. Hence the value of the polynomial is not equal to 0. Therefore 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of the given polynomial. So we can write minus 1 by root 3 is the 0, but 2 by root 3 is not the 0 of the given polynomial. Let us do question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. This is the first question. The given polynomial is x plus 5. We have to find the 0 of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? That value of the variable which will make the value of the polynomial equal to 0. So we start by writing p of x equal to 0. That is the value of the polynomial equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 0. X equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Now let us do the third question. It is given 2x plus 5. First we write p of x equal to 0. That is, we are taking the value of the polynomial equal to 0. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 5. X equal to minus 5 by 2. That is, when we put in place of x minus 5 by 2, the value of the polynomial will be equal to 0. Therefore, we say minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Let us do some more questions. Let us take now question number 6. Here the polynomial is ax, where a is not equal to 0. So first we write the value of the polynomial equal to 0, that is ax equal to 0, x equal to 0 divided by a. Since a is not equal to 0, 0 divided by a will be equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is the 0 of the given polynomial. One more question let us do. That is the last question. Question number 7. It is given cx plus d where c is not equal to 0. First we write the value of the polynomial is equal to 0. Therefore cx plus d equal to 0. Cx equal to minus d, x equal to minus d by c. Therefore, minus d by c is the 0 of the given polynomial.